Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we have Amanda here.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a hair tutorial on how to do curls without any heat. So I really hope you enjoy it. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Hello guys! In today's video, I'll show you. Actually, I'm gonna teach her as well. We'll do the curls without any heat, and she's a person that's addicted to heat, so I thought it was a good idea to bring her here and teach her. So you won't need any blow dry or any heat whatsoever, no curling iron or anything like that. The only thing you will need is a cloth. I don't know how to call this actually.
A scarf.
A scarf. It can be a long scarf. Depends on how long your hair is. But I'm gonna use a pretty long one, and she's also gonna use a pretty long one. Okay, so the first thing we do is wash our hair and let it dry a little bit naturally, but you can also do what she's gonna do, that is just get a spray bottle like this and spray some water over your hair before you do this, and it's gonna work the same. So if you don't want to go through washing your hair and everything like that, you can just do this and it'll work the same. So let's go. Let's go. It is 3:48 in the morning and it's very late, so don't mind if we're a little bit, I don't know, sleepy right now. Anyways, okay, so get the middle of the scarf and put it in the middle of your head like this. And pull all your hair to the front.
Everything that's on the back?
Yeah, you can, also divide it in the middle and the back, okay? Put like equal amounts of hair on each side. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start here in the beginning. And it's very simple, okay? You just hold the scarf. Start going around with your hair. Very small pieces of hair like this. So very small pieces of hair like this, you go around, and then you start adding a little bit of hair every time you get to the front. So like this.
Wait.
No, Amanda.
Not the side. No.
You just do, okay, let's start from the beginning. Amanda, start from the beginning. Okay.
If I can do this, anyone can. So like that's the actual proof. Okay.
Get a very small piece of hair like this. And only do one turn. One turn like this. And then you start adding a little bit more hair. And then you go again. You go again. And then you add a little bit more hair. You go. Did you spray your hair?
No.
Keep on going until the end like this. So here I like to leave the end straight like this. So I will not finish the curl, I will leave it like this, and I will just tie it like this. I will leave the ends straight so the curls end up straight in the end. But you can do whatever you like. If you like to have the perfect curl in the end, that's also fine. You just finish the curl right here. Just try to make them as tight as possible, because you're gonna have to sleep with this, heads up. And if they're not tight enough, they're probably gonna fall during the night. So don't make it tight so that you have a headache, but just tight enough so they don't fall, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna use this poly bands like this, you know, the transparent ones, the very small ones. I'm just gonna use that to tie them up at the end.
Just the hair? Or with the scarf?
With the scarf. So like this. You get it, and Just tie it up like this. With the scarf, okay? Okay guys, I had to help her, but it's okay. So if you need help, you can actually ask someone to help you as well. I think it's easier to do it on another person, but it worked out. Okay, let's see if now we can do the other side. So put it in the middle again, just fix it, and do the exact same thing on the other side. Start with small bits, and small portions. Small portions of hair. I don't know how to call this. Anyways, just go around.
Don't you second guess me, no, if you can't see.
And then, okay, now important thing. You know how it turns like this? The hair is all turning this direction, so you start turning in the same direction, and it will start rolling up like this. And then you get here. And what I do here is I do this. I pull it here and like this. Like a knot, like this, and it will stay. If the scarf is long enough, it will stay. Do like this, and it starts rolling up, like naturally. Then you pull this through here. There you go. If you want to make the curls stronger, you can actually spray some water on top of this. It helps them to get more shaped, but I don't think it's necessary, especially if you washed your hair. If you didn't, you should probably do it a little bit at least. So that's it. Now we'll go to sleep with this. This is the hardest part, but you can do it. And then we'll come back tomorrow morning to show you how we take this off and how we look. And good night. We'll come back tomorrow morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Amanda decided to knot her scarf in the back, so that made it more comfortable, right?
Yeah, to sleep for sure, because it wasn't like,
Yeah.
you know.
And I decided to use these hair clips right here to keep them steady. It was not comfortable. What did you think?
It wasn't as bad as I thought, but it was definitely not comfortable.
It took me a long time to be able to fall asleep because of this. Really.
Yeah. Once you find the position though, it's fine.
Yeah.
But
yeah, if you sleep on your back, that might be easier, but I cannot sleep on my back. I have to sleep like on the side.
same.
And so, but okay. Are you ready? We're gonna take it off. I'm nervous. Okay, let's do this.
You can't see. I've been doing fine by myself, spending all that time by myself. If you never believe, no, what you can't see, you'll never make it alright. Take a leap or I'm out of sight. Ditch and recall, ditch and recall. Ditch and recall, ditch and recall.
So I left it for only like 5 hours and it was completely wet when I did it. That's why it looks wavy, but I like it like this. I think you can see. But if you saw it on Instagram the other day, I did it for like, I don't know, 9 hours I think. I left it on for 9 hours and it looked super like defined, the curls. So it depends on what you want. Hers looks super defined because her hair was not as wet as mine. So that's where the difference comes, and you can just make your choice. Like if you want more defined curls, you can do it her way with the bottle spray and you can leave it on for longer. Or if you want like wavy like mine, like this, you can just leave it on for less time. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and come back next week. I wish you all happy holidays, happy New Year's. Let me know if you like this, if you're gonna use it. I swear it's worth it. I use it all the time and it's amazing what it does to your hair. But that's it. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye.